What's up, ladies and gents? Welcome back to another video. Hey, it's September the 1st. You know what that means? Pure content. Whole month of September, we're posting a video every day onto the limits. Follow the IG too. But the first one, first one. A lot of people have been asking, yo, what should I do to my Hellcat? What should I do to my Mopar, right? So this video, we're just gonna go over a couple of the mods that I think you should do to a Hellcat just to make it that little bit faster, stand out that little bit more, right? Mainly gonna talk about performance mods, because that's what this car is about, performance, right? I haven't done anything for the looks except suspension, and that's a performance mod too, just to make it handle a little bit better, right? But yeah, we're gonna hop in it. If I was supposed to start over and if I was on a budget, right? Well, my budget, obviously you can go above that and make this shit 1500 horsepower, right? Slap on 2 twin turbos. But we ain't doing that. No sir. We're talking about reliability. Well, I don't know about reliability. It is a Mopar. Yeah, they're not reliable at all. But we're gonna go over some of the mods that you can do, some simple mods that shouldn't cost you too much. You can hear that supercharger whine a little bit more, and it can be that little bit more faster, you know, so you can stand out over a stock Hellcat. Let's say that. Got my tours on it too. But the first one, first thing, probably the cheapest thing too, well, that I would do, this right here, the leg maker intake. If you put that on it, it whines way louder. It has, I mean, horsepower wise, maybe 20 horsepower, so it's not too much, but you will notice a difference with it. It might not sound a lot, but when that cold air start going through, oh, you got an exhaust, wow, or exhaust leak, one of them. When that cold air start going through, it's coming loose. I didn't tighten it properly, see? Yeah, when that cold air start going through that, oh my gosh, it makes it perform way better. You know, these cars get hot quick. Intake, that alone, way more supercharger whine, and adds 20 horsepower, man. I think it's like $300, so, or $350, might be $350. So one of those do you good. Second thing, you did your leg maker intake, right? This right here, the pulley. Now with the pulley, you can go different stages. My boy with his Hellcat right now, well, two of my boys with their Hellcat Durango and a Hellcat Charger, they did a smaller pulley, a 317mm pulley. You can do your research on which one you want to do, how much power you want to gain, but they gain about 60 horsepower, well, like 40 to 60 horsepower over stock, and that makes the car perform way different, 40 to 60 horsepower over stock. All right, so as I was saying, I think I was talking about the pulley, right? Yeah, the pulley. But yeah, the pulley, one of the next best mods you can do after you do the intake. The pulley, yes, the pulley. And it's like, when I first got it, I was like, huh, Hellcat's probably fast enough, right? Well, before I even got it, man, my boy used to say, yo, the scat is fast. When you go to a Hellcat, that shit gonna be fast enough. But when you go to a Hellcat, you get used to it. quick. But mine's already came with that, so I didn't have to put it on. But when they drove mines and then drove back theirs, they're like, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, they did a 317mm pulley on theirs. It's still black. I think it's from Hellraisin, and basically adds 45 to 60 horsepower over stock, and that is without a tune. If you do the 317mm pulley, you don't have to tune the car. You can just put on that pulley, put on your intake, and the car automatically tune itself, because it's like 1 to 2 pounds of boost different. So the car computer can read itself and automatically tune it for it. With this one, that's a different case. Mine is a 285mm pulley, so that's way too small for the car to read it itself, which is why the car had to get tuned, right? That one adds over 100 horsepower over stock. On the dyno, this shit made 730 wheel horsepower. Go, I'll leave the video down below for you to see what it does to a stock Hellcat. It murders it. Even with a bunch of people in it, it murders it. Simple as that, simple as you like, right? I love when people pull up on it, because the badge on the back says SRT, right? And you know they have a SRT 392. It's dirty, my boy's gonna wash it tomorrow. SRT. So you know they have a SRT 392. So when they see the SRT on the back, or they see the SRT on the front, They think it's a 392, and then they start to play, and they look. I don't know how they so blind. I upgraded the badge on the side. It's a big badge, but when they start to play, they get gapped. But yeah, Pulley would be my next mod. So if this shit was completely stock, this would be the first one. This would be the second. Next mod, it's something very overlooked on slow cars, on fast cars. It's something we overlook a lot, and it can be so simple as that to win a race or to be faster than the next Hellcat. When I had my last tires on it, it's tires. When I had my last tires on it, right? My boy with a stock Hellcat, me and him would be neck and neck for 5-10 seconds in a race. That shouldn't be possible because my car is way faster, right? But I had some terrible tires on it. I had the Pirelli P0s, and them shits did not grip on this car. And it would be spinning up to 125 miles an hour while his is gripping. And we're staying neck and neck, or he's pulling, right? Put these Arturas on it, bam. Win the race. Easy, easy, easy. Easy as you like, right? Waiting on my front tires to come FedEx. What the hell? These tires has been delayed for 2 weeks now. Don't judge me, okay? For 2 weeks. I might just buy some shit and just put it on there. Like my boy said, it's the front. We ain't really doing much track shit, so it doesn't really matter what tires I put up there. On the back, I got another set of this at the crib. A Turo AZ850. These shits grip like crazy. Right now it's 305. 305's on the back, and it grips at probably a 55 roll or 60 roll. Normally Hellcats, you want to do a 60 roll. 60 roll, this shit grip phenomenal, right? Most of the time. But yeah, that would be the next mod. Tires. Y'all overlook tires. Having 1,000,000 horsepower and can't put it down, that's gonna make you lose. So next one would be tires. So how much is that? 3. Leg maker intake, that's 1. Pulley, that's 2. And the tires, that's 3, right? Now, and this shit is like a $200 a piece. Intake is like $350. The pulley that they have install and everything was $1,000. My pulley, a little bit more than that, right? Because it's a smaller size. Well, I think, I don't know, I didn't have to buy it. We pay for everything in a combo, so I don't know. But yeah, next thing other than those, so those would be the first 3. All right, probably do the tires first, because even with, if you got a stock Hellcat with better tires, it can beat another stock Hellcat that's spinning. Okay, tires, intake, pulley, that's 3. If you're gonna do my pulley, the 285, you have to do some corresponding mods, because as I said, this pulley is spinning way smaller than stock, so you have to do some other mods. You'll have to, it's mandatory. I did injectors. I could have done what, 1300 cc injectors, but I didn't want to, so I did demon injectors, 850, right? So the maximum I think I can push on it is 850 with those injectors without upgrading it, before upgrading it. Spark plugs, I did spark plugs, injectors, and a cat delete. Hades Performance, the people that tune this, go watch the dyno video and you'll see them. They suggest doing a cat delete every time they tune a car, because you know, less pressure build up. Because this car exhaust, other than the cat delete, is completely stock. Stock mufflers, stock resonators, and it shoot flames even with those on there. That would be the next video teaser, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, if you're gonna do the 285 pulley, keep in mind you're gonna have to do spark plugs, you're gonna have to do injectors, and the cat delete if you tune through Hades Performance DSM lights, right? They suggest doing a cat delete. I did that. Simple as that. In total, to get this car where it's at right now, remember, this is not including the price of the pulley, this is not including the price of the intake. This is just the spark plugs, the injectors, cat delete, and the tune. $3,300. Add another $1,000 for the intake, add another $350 for the leg maker. No, I said that wrong. Add another $1,000 for the pulley, $350 for the leg maker. You'll get your price if you're starting brand new and want the exact setup as this car. If you're starting brand new and want the exact setup, that's your price. $3,300 plus $1,000 plus $350. Do the math your damn self. I think that's $4,650. Simple as that. Link up Hades Performance, tell them To The Limit sent you, and see what they can do for you, man. But yeah, tires, intake, pulley, that's 3. People, stop overlooking your brakes. I know it's not something to go fast. I know Hellcat brakes can be good, but they're heavy as fuck. Stop overlooking your brakes, okay? Upgrade the brakes. That's what I did. Upgrade the brakes, and shit, you'll stop way faster than a stock Hellcat. that would be my 4th mod. I already did it. That was the first one. That was the first one for me. But yeah, that would be the 4th one. Starting fresh, brand new. Please upgrade your brakes. You made the car faster. Make it stop quicker as well. You gotta think about that. The car gonna get to 60 to 130 way quicker than it would stock. So you need to stop faster than stock too, okay? Upgrade your brakes. Especially most Hellcat owners like to do 200. I did 202. Upgrade your damn brakes. But yeah, those would be my 4 first mods. Other than that, probably the cat delete, but that's already done to it when I did the pulley, so that's 5. And that would be my first 5 mods to this car. The last one, and I had to do this not just for looks, because I'm big about performance, right? Suspension. All I did was change the springs. That's all I did. I think I changed it. What was the name of them? Shit, I forgot. It started with E though. Yeah. Shit, I forgot. I don't know. But I changed my springs, lowered it, and it's not too low. It's not like damn, I forgot all the springs name this morning. Oh, 2 birds in the sky. Need one more. 3 little birds. Yeah. Next one dead. Yo, but yeah, I lowered the car. That makes the car handles way better. Plus, I didn't like the fact that when you floor is like it's too soft for me for what I like, right? I like going around corners. My car before this was a BRZ. That shit handles take any corner at 1,000,000 miles per hour. So I had to make this handle a little bit better, and to do that, all I did was lower it. That's all. Better tires help with that, but lowering it helps tremendously with that. Look, if you don't have to lower your car, my boy, other Hellcats not lowered, but I like the lowered one. The look, it looks way better lowered. These cars are boats, we know this. These cars are monster truck stock, so it looks way better lowered, and it helps with performance. So I mean, why not, right? Why the hell not? So yeah, those would be my things that I would do to the Hellcat, and that's exactly how my car is set up right now. So basically, if I got another Hellcat, it would be exactly the same. Damn. Yeah, exactly the same. If I got another Hellcat tomorrow, exact same setup. Literally. I don't do weight reduction. I don't feel like the race is that important for me to do weight reduction. Yeah, it's never that important to me. Nah, it's just racing for fun. I'm not racing for money, so the race is never that important for me to want to do weight reduction. I'm gonna start it up, rev it a couple times so you hear the supercharger, so you hear how the exhaust sounds. You can check out other videos to hear those, especially the dyno video when the car was on the dyno getting tuned. Check out that video ASAP. But yeah, I'm revving it a couple times, and we're gonna end off this video, man. Thank you for watching. First video of September, man. Next one is gonna be the car shooting flames. I already filmed it from last night, but yeah. Just know it does. It does. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, slap a thumbs up. Make sure, you know, to stay tuned, because we're posting a video every single day of September. Let me know what kind of content you'd want to see, whether it's with the Hellcat, one of the cars in the crew. Just go back and watch some of the other videos. You see some of the cars that my boys got. And let me know, or you want to see a POV on something else. Tell me what kind of videos you want to see. I'll get them done. Well, I'll try to get them done for you. And not every video you're gonna get. Sometimes you be asking for too much. I ain't gonna lie. You ain't providing the cars, okay? Chill. But yeah, she about to get washed up now. She will go get washed tomorrow. But yeah, this is the Hellcat right here, man. The Demon Killer. Haven't even raced one yet, but I know it will beat it. You got one? Let's race. Hey, if you got a fast car, a lot of people like talking shit in the comments. If you got a fast car, let's run it, bro. We're in Mexico, you know, Mexico. This stadium is in Mexico, for sure, for sure.